darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be using our Cantu shea butter, our mixing bowls, Tresemme shampoo, the holy grail, and of course silicone mix. So right about now you guys can see that the hair is tangled, very dry, and obviously needs some love. So if you guys want to see how I transform this hair from old and raggedy to luscious, make sure you keep on watching. So you guys, first off, we're going to start detangling the hair, and I'm going to do that one track at a time. You guys can see that I am separating the tracks, and I'm going to start detangling it from the tip, and then I'm going to work my way up to the roots. Okay guys, now I'm done detangling the hair. You guys, make sure you do not skip a track. Make sure you go through every single track and detangle as you go. While I'm detangling the hair, I'm going to show you guys how I detangle the closure part or the frontal part. So make sure you place your thumb on where the hair is, close to the lace, and detangle. Do not detangle without placing your thumb. If not, you're going to pull out the hair from the lace, and trust me, you don't want that to happen. If not, you're going to have a bad space on your closure or frontal. So you keep detangling until it is properly detangled, and then you take your hands off. So you guys can see right here that the hair is properly detangled, and now we'll be moving on to washing the hair. Okay guys, now we're going to be moving on to using our lukewarm water. You guys, lukewarm water is the best water whenever you're revamping any kind of hair. I'm going to also use my favorite shampoo, which is the Tresemme shampoo. You guys, this helps with defreezing your hair, helps to detangle. It's very good. I think you guys should read about it. I'm also going to leave a link in my description box for you guys, so in case you want to get the Tresemme shampoo to take you directly to the website. So now I'm going to start off by dipping my hair from the tip, and I'm going to work my way all the way to the top of the hair. Make sure while you are washing your hair, you're making sure the hair is absorbing all of that shampoo, because that shampoo is what is going to take out all of the dirt, all of the residue. And yeah, you guys should just keep on watching. Okay guys, now I have started detangling the hair, and you guys can see that while I'm detangling the hair, I'm holding all of the hair together. We're dealing with a coily hair, so you don't want your hair to be a hot mess. You're going to hold all of that hair together and detangle from the tip, and then you work your way all the way to the roots. And you guys, make sure you're washing your hair with a shampoo twice, because you might think it's clean, but trust me, once you run it the second time, you're going to see a lot of dirt that'll still be in the hair. Okay guys, once you see that your water is this clear without there being any cloudy residue, then you know that the hair is ready for the max. So we're going to first of all squeeze out all of that water out of the hair, because trust me, you don't want any single water in the hair while applying the max on it. So while we make our max, I'm going to be using our silicone mix and of course our Goya olive oil. If you guys don't have olive oil, you can substitute using coconut oil. They are both very good, they both do the same work. And I'm going to use 2 scoops of our silicone mix, and I'm going to apply oil. Just eyeball your oil, it doesn't matter, you can put more. You guys will see in the video that it wasn't enough, so I had to like put again. And I'm going to mix it to a very nice smooth consistency, and then I'm going to apply it all over the hair. now that I'm okay with the consistency, I'm going to start applying the max all over the hair. You guys, make sure you drench your hair in this max, because this is what is going to break all those knots in it. This is what's going to make you very soft, very tangle free, and all of that good stuff. So make sure you're drenching the hair in the max, apply generously, and then move on to detangling. And while you're detangling the hair, make sure you're very watchful and mindful of the closure of frontal part so that it doesn't pull off. You guys can see that I'm still holding the hair tightly with my thumb close to the closure part. So here I'm just detangling and making sure the max is properly distributed all over the hair. This is what the hair is looking like. You guys can see that it is properly drenched in this max. So now I'm going to move on by putting the hair inside a plastic nylon. You guys can use any plastic bag, it doesn't matter. You can use a Ziploc bag, you can use a nylon bag, as long as it's very good. I prefer using the nylon bag because it's very easy to dispose. So yeah, I'm going to double it up and I'm going to bring the hair to a boil. You guys, bringing this hair to a boil, make sure you're leaving it for at least minimum 45 minutes boiling, because we want this max to penetrate every single strand of your hair. So this is it after 45 minutes. You guys can see that. Ooh, baby, that thing is hot. I'm not even gonna lie, it was really hot. So just be careful with this part so that it doesn't burn your hands. You guys can see I was dying of the vapor, whatever. It was freaking hot. But yeah, moving on, we're going to be rinsing out all of that max. Just make sure you wash out everything. Do not shampoo your hair again after putting the max. You guys, I don't shampoo my hair after applying max. I just make sure I run the hair under water for at least 30 minutes again. And yeah, we're going to now apply our Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. You guys, this conditioner is the very best thing that have happened to coily hair generation. If you ask me, this is my favorite conditioner. You guys can see that it's very thick. I have to melt it a little bit with my palm. So just apply it on the hair. Make sure you comb the hair, make sure you're detangling, and yeah, the hair is going to be ready. I'm going to allow my hair to air dry overnight. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. This is what my hair is looking like. You guys can see how shiny it is. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other vlog. I also did like a straight hair routine, how I wrap my hair. So make sure you guys check that out and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.